In this quick session, I'm going to update you about new cool things that we did on our SMS extension. One of them is to help you automate anything that you want related to SMS with a click of a button. We'll show you how it works. Before that, I will show you the basic functionality of the SMS, how to receive and how to send. Extremely simple. So if you will go to a lead or a contact or opportunity, you will have the ABR communication system on the bottom. That will look like a chat. Okay, so whenever you want to write something, you can type it here, or you can click on the templates and load a template from the system. Let's assume it will be a welcome new lead. You can click on it, it will load automatically all the details, and then you can send it. And obviously the person will receive it on this phone. Now, let me show you how to automate that. So instead of sending the welcome email as an example, you can do it automatically. I will go to the workflow rules section. I will click on create rule, and then I will select the leads module. Basically, whenever a new lead comes in, it will be related to the leads module. And I will provide the name, send an automated welcome SMS to a new lead. In this section, you will have only three things that you need to do. The first one is to say if you want the automation to run on a record action such as create, edit, delete, or something else. In my case, I like to run it on create. Okay, so you can see that you have more options. So the record action will be create. The next one is if you want to have any kind of criteria. As an example, you might say that I want to send this text message only to lead sources that came, for example, from our website. As an example, in my case, I would just leave it open. Any lead will receive this text message. And this is what we added for you. Instead of starting to create functions in the webhooks and complicated things, you will just need to click on ABR Send SMS, and that will load the widget. Now, you can write your own, or you can select a template. When you select a template, you can select from existing one, or you can manage template from here, and then create a template. In my case, I will just go with welcome new lead, and that's the SMS that you saw before. I will click on submit, we'll give it a name, welcome SMS, and then you click on save. Whenever a new lead will be created, and let's create a new lead. And let's put in my mobile, my test number. I think, yeah, this is the number. Whenever I will click on save, you will see that the text message was sent automatically from Dr. Frankenstein. Okay, it was sent to the lead and it loaded the first name and everything is in place. Okay, so this is the new addition that we added for you. I hope you will like it, and if you need any kind of automations or cool stuff for the extension, let me know. And if you want to have this extension, on the description below there is a link. Click on it and enjoy. It's a wonderful extension.